Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Rakami.
Yes, sir.
Meda wasipa maminchia utifo nyina na michia mi mami first lady Mrs. Rebecca Kufado na honorable Frema Opari Rakami.
Yeah.
Say lejokuku no omoboa me pa mami timisua constituency no eso.
Empacho ye kwan no mugusu ye.
Oh Rakami ye kwan nyankopon adom.
Okay.
Mi wofa amono ba makwata me danasi. So far about 90% complete.
Great.
Yeah, sidewalk no Rakami.
Great.
Na nyankopon adom ye wie na me ma dua trees no ofifi na obefa lejokuku awanhwe a obefri se onam
baby fufro.
In fact California ana New York na Rakami machia honorable Fremani Auntie Rebecca Kufado no mami chia me regional chairman Rakami
I go home.
Divine I go home.
Who not you?
In fact ono ni lawyer Jerry Ahmed CEO Costa omoboa me ma me monitoring of registration centers I ewo lejokuku Rakami na yewo covid era idie e was say unama unkita kra no face mask there was say onhwehwe bi na mfamboa o constituents na lawyer Jerry Ahmed ni honorable Divine omaboa me do masi papa Rakami never covid no Rakami so far the total cases as at the last review 26,125 and I just
Yeah, 26,125.
Rakami
Yeah.
the recovered people here 22,270 Rakami just now I don't know but me who didn't hear who can total cases are ebimu okay who can recover people see giant. I mean once you do that you are telling only one side of a story that might have 6 or 7 or 8 sides. And if really me can say nipa oye sano or wadwinboni but one sha effect would be man for will be that of serious panic and fear. And I'll give you an example Rakami. But you only say malaria ekum kwara Ghana.
Baby.
The only reason why although malaria walk Roma for over 100 years, Yakoba Obimbo is the fact that ye nimishishaya odi tuwa sebi obetima prevent malaria. Na unya malaria nsua nyankupo andom ye own treatment. But obi be catch us say ye yarebi ye friend malaria etimi kum akunkara 3 e Ghana in the month of July. No coffee here. Rakami say the first time I watch this story now, odi ubani na be share them you never get out. So really if you are a public health person and now you are a health educationist, you must speak to the whole story. And that's what I normally do when I speak COVID. Now, I mean, if you get 26,125 cases of HIV in Ghana in the next 10 years, say, your cases still remain 26,125. I don't know what I get me. We have to do education. If you get 26,000 cases of HIV and now in the next 10 years, you will still get 26,125 cases.
That is Ebiama Mekanwa.
Exactly.
Okay.
But today, as we speak, if you get 26,125 cases of COVID, in the next 2 weeks, it would have been 0 cases of COVID in this country.
Assuming you are testing.
So we are dealing with tested figures. Assume. Okay. But what I say, that's what the economists will say. All things being equal. Point I'm best here say, way. I'm not undermining diabetes na ye. Sebi, ebetima kunipa. So I know say a idea was saying you taking it serious. But the point I'm making is that way area onye ne na nyame boa na when film na what we are here in 2 weeks time by the grace of God if only symptoms be you would have recovered. Recovering interest, you cannot fall seriously ill after the 2 weeks, and secondly, you cannot infect others with it. This is the point. And the one pass say in comfort to me, boss say, hey, say Ghana, I do 26,125. Obum person meti say out of this number, 85% of this number are walking around, working in their offices, dealing with us and working with us. Akragas in Korea Mudin. Nyankupo Adom, omu parents na reintegrated back into school.
Yes, 7 of them.
7 of them. So we must tell the story well. And the reason why we are having 85% recovery, and yet by accident. Now, if this government had not quarantined over 1,000 people, paid their hotel bills, tested them at the cost of the state, those we quarantined when we closed our borders, all of them would have entered Ghana's population. Nobody knows what would have happened to us. Maybe our deaths would have been 4,000 plus like in South Africa, or over 2,000 deaths like in Egypt. Nobody knows what would have happened to us. But this government took that step, and by the grace of God, today it's unfortunate. Yes, we have 139 deaths, but you can't deaths in absolute numbers and nominal numbers. You don't even know where you are, what is happening. But when you speak about deaths to the percentage of cases, you realize that, unfortunate as it may be, in the whole world, this is one of the countries and Yankupa Boye, I record one of the lowest. Now, you know, and you only the quarantine, say make us say buying all that. Beyond the testing now, every case of COVID-19 confirmed Ghana from high dependency unit, more oxygen, to ICU, to you coming back of ICU. Is the state that pays for the cost of medical treatment.
Yeah, Dr. Darius Oseka said the same thing.
Abaya sebio wajia to no so be test you, test positive or be chow medical bills. Now obi oya ejuma hospital on him the cost of taking some care of someone at ICU. If you die ICU for 1 month, Nyankopon boa na uba, you will not pay 1 Ghana. Now what coffee ako join ubusu for. I mean, even the Bible says it. Where you claim your heart is, that is where your money or your treasure would be. And if the impression is created, say, I buy where I buy on him, they are COVID who are losing one. Really? When you have this government paying breakfast, lunch, and supper for more mandatory state isolation, I mean, the story cannot be told. Say, it's a government on him to here. Beyond that, 25 years of Ghana's democracy, Fourth Republic, our total capacity for doing PCR tests was just about 1,000 samples or 1,000 tests a day. Within a matter of 2 to 3 months, this government has scaled up your capacity to 6,000 tests a day. Obviously, doctor still there were delays. If you have, even you can do 6,000 tests. Not because obia anxiety, send a bimukasa and obia testing me. Now you are receiving 20,000 samples a day. Even if you double your capacity, still you might have delays. And so the point I want to make is say, where you are buying ordinary sick when it comes to taking care of the sick, it comes to testing. We've done over 340,000 tests so far.
340,000.
Yes, Brakwami. Now, Sebio Ebiano so appreciate much the wa buying Edibwa until you start comparing to other countries in terms of the number of tests that countries now here per million people. So, for example, Senegal is doing about 5,000 tests for every 1 million of their population. Egypt is doing 1,319. Now, Egypt is a country whose capacity and strength, economic-wise, is either like that of Ghana or maybe might be ahead of Ghana. But Egypt is doing 1,000, just over 1,000 for every 1 million people. Why wouldn't Egypt scale up to 10,000? They can do it, but it's an indication of the value they place or the commitment they are willing to put in when it comes to the COVID fight, especially when you must fight
yes, we are more tests. More.
It's true. Now, Nigeria. Nigeria is doing 879 tests per million people. Now, what it means is that if Nigeria should test up to Ghana's level, which is 10,600 tests for every 1 million, it is possible that Nigeria might peak 2, 3, 4, 5 times their current figure. Now, what does it mean? Your picture, your COVID situation, the picture you have, can only be as real as the number of tests you do per million.
Okay. So
it means Ghana's picture is 10 times real compared to Nigeria's picture. And so is UK's picture about 5 to 10 times real than Ghana's picture.
Peace FM 105.3 104.3 wotumi ntake